Welcome to the channel, tech lovers. In today's video, we're diving into the best smartphones of 2024. Whether you're an Android fan or a die-hard Apple user, we've got something exciting for you. From camera kings like the Galaxy S24 Ultra to sleek powerhouses like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, we'll break down the top picks to help you decide the perfect one for your needs. Make sure to watch till the end because your next phone could be right here. 1. Best flagship smartphone: Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra takes center stage as one of the most powerful Android devices. Display a massive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate. Performance equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it handles gaming and multitasking seamlessly. Camera offers a versatile camera setup, including a 200-megapixel sensor and 5x optical zoom, providing excellent shots across various conditions. Battery: 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt charging support ensures solid endurance. Its inclusion of the S Pen makes it ideal for creators and power users, though its premium price might limit its accessibility to some viewers. 2. Best iPhone 16 Pro Max. For Apple enthusiasts, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a top contender. Performance powered by the A18 Bionic chip, ensuring future-proofing and smooth performance. Camera excellent for videography with superior color processing and reliable low-light performance. Build and features strong titanium frame and improved battery life, but the slow wired charging remains a drawback. This device is perfect for those heavily invested in the Apple ecosystem and looking for top-tier video capabilities. 3. Best value for money: Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro is highly recommended for users focused on photography and stock Android. Camera known for its exceptional computational photography, providing sharp images with excellent dynamic range. Performance runs smoothly with Tensor G3, along with AI-driven features like voice transcription and image editing. Display and battery: a 6.7-inch OLED display and a decent battery life make it a solid choice. This is ideal for users who love clean Android software and excellent camera capabilities without spending a fortune. 4. Best foldable option: Huawei Mate X5. Foldables continue to attract interest, and the Huawei Mate X5 stands out in this segment. Display: a large, immersive foldable OLED screen perfect for multitasking. Performance runs on Huawei's top-tier chipsets, although limited access to Google services can be a drawback. Battery: great battery life for a foldable, along with elegant design. Huawei's innovation appeals to those seeking a premium, futuristic device with unique form factors. 5. Best mid-range smartphone: OnePlus 12. For users who want flagship-level features at a lower price, the OnePlus 12 offers great value. Display: a 6.8-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Performance: Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 ensures fast performance. Battery: the best battery life in its class, along with fast wireless charging. OnePlus 12 strikes a balance between affordability and premium features, making it a hit among tech-savvy users. Conclusion: when choosing the best phone in 2024, it depends on individual priorities. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for productivity and photography enthusiasts. iPhone 16 Pro Max for Apple lovers seeking unmatched video quality. Google Pixel 8 Pro if you want great photography and clean software. Huawei Mate X5 for foldable fans. OnePlus 12 for those seeking flagship performance at a lower cost. That's a wrap on today's comparison. So, which smartphone stood out the most for you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and buying guides. Stay connected with us for all the latest updates, and we'll see you in the next one.